Welcome to our channel. If you want to unsubscribe from Spotify Premium, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly cancel your subscription. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to spotify.com. Log in using your email and password. Step 2. Click on your profile name or picture in the top right corner of the screen, then select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. On the Account Overview page, locate the subscription section that displays your current premium plan and billing information. Step 4. Click on Change Plan to view available subscription options and access the cancellation feature. Step 5. Scroll to the bottom of the page to find the Cancel Premium link and click it to initiate the cancellation. Step 6. Spotify may show you special offers or ask why you're leaving. Review these or proceed directly to cancellation. Step 7. Confirm that you want to cancel by clicking the final Cancel Premium or Confirm Cancellation button. Step 8. After cancelling, you'll receive a confirmation email. Your premium benefits will continue until the end of your current billing period, after which your account will revert to Spotify free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.